Hello, in this video, I will show you how to delete playlists on YouTube computer version. So first, we access youtube.com and click your avatar at the top right corner. Here, choose YouTube Studio. At the left of screen, choose Content. Here you can see we have a lot of options, but please choose Playlist. When you move the mouse into the playlist that you want to delete, it's gonna show you the three dots. Please choose it and choose Delete. Here it also reminds you the video within the playlist won't be deleted, so you only delete the playlist. And finally, choose Delete. That's it. Here you can see the videos still here. They are not deleted. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helps you.